that sound boy, calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Where do they get I'm telling you that I'm going to school to you. Just tell me how I feel, I can tell you that you know it's in my heart. What do they get from telling you that I don't give a damn about you? Just tell me why the hell somebody wants to tear your heart apart. Oh, why do them people have to tell you lies? I know. I love you more than words could ever show. I can't explain. Why do some people have to be that way? I can take much more. I can't even. I have to let you know what's in my heart. If I never say that I love you, just remember what I'm saying I do. You can know it's from the start that you are always in my heart. Yeah. Come over here and let me take off your clothes. Things I wanna do to you, nobody has to know. No. Lay your body right here, baby, have no fear, 'cause it's gonna sleep is me. Whoa, getting on a standing position.
Yo. The driver or owner of a white Infiniti and a Chevy Impala were parked in front of the tow company. They intend to tow it, so we better move it so we can enjoy ourselves without more interruption. Cause tonight have a nice Delta Force in the house, Oneness in the house, XSquad in the house, whole heap of original dancehall massive in the house. So later, definitely I'm going to be greater. XSquad. Come on, XSquad. a chat, man. You figure me the face and I'm a thump it, man, and give it to me, you know. Yeah, you better carry the mix up.
Don't follow rumor.
I'm gonna tell us late, you know.
Don't follow rumor. If you hear something about
You better confront the first time.
come say it to me.
Say it to me.
Come say it to me.
Say it to me. Don't say it to nobody else.
Don't follow
What if I do that?
your friends are saying.
Why?
They're only trying to get us along. So
Yo, yo.
don't follow rumors.
What?
Don't. If we tear us apart. Say don't follow rumors. Tear us apart.
Yeah, but I'm almost I'm not worry about them. But I'm almost don't worry about nobody. But I'm almost I'm not worry about them. But I'm almost don't worry about nobody. When you're up, see them at the up. When you're down, treat them like a clown. See your fans with a solid background. And the same of it come out and they come up.
friend, my God, my guide, yeah. Forever you will be, I will sing by your side. My Father, my friend, my God, my guide. My love for you sound unbelievable high. I've lifted my eyes and I've seen the sign of the times that God was prophesied and I've seen long time. Oh Lord, keep the ranks of our leaders as well as captives of our own mind. Can't you see we're running out of time? Listen to that, my brothers and sisters, and to the calling God the Father. He is the only one that's willing to set us divine. Get ready for a new time, I've seen a new sign, and I think it shine bright. Mother Nature is needed, and I to believe it, yeah. Get ready for a new time, I've seen a new sign, and I think it shine bright. Mother Nature is needed, and I to believe it. Whoa. Get ready for a new time, I've seen a new sign, and I think it shine bright. The very first time I saw you, girl, you look so fine. I had a feeling that told me you'd be mine. So I've got you in my arms, girl, and I'll never let you go. I'll do anything to you, girl, just so you know. Oh, you the very first time I saw you, girl, you look so fine. I had a feeling. I've got you in my arms, girl, and I'll never let you go. I'll do anything to you, girl, just so you know. Oh, you know, girl, you know, and I know anywhere.
Sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.